How to use Wix Harmony for beginners. First, create a Wix Harmony site. Go to wix.com/harmony and then let Area generate the website. I'm gonna type in a prompt, something like create a modern website for car detailing business with home services, gallery, about, and contact pages with a black and red theme. So let's generate my site. Area can generate your pages, layouts, colors, starter content, and images. So if you're not signed in yet, make sure you do. And here you go, our site is ready. Now once your site opens, you'll see Harmony Editor. The top bar are the main site controls. Add adds elements. Brand here manages your site branding. We can close this AI now. So this is the website that it made. Let's say we want to add something. For example, we want to add profile pictures to these reviews. Let's click add elements. Let's upload media. Let's crop and adjust. Let's make it so that it's 1:1. Save. Now what I want to do is make space for the profile picture. Just like that. I'm gonna grab the corner so it keeps the original resolution. Now I just put this picture here and I asked the AI to make it look more so it's like a profile picture. So it took a while of convincing the AI what to do, but it finally did the right job in the end. You can also add or manage pages. So click add, go to pages, and here you can add these sort of page templates. So this is services, lists, portfolios. Let's look at some portfolios. And here you go. We can make this over the car actually. Now there's a big blank space here, so I'm gonna ask AI to remove it. Harmony also auto-saves your changes, so you don't have to constantly save manually. And here you go, the AI tightened the spacing. You can also go to the preview. We can choose the mobile preview. And here you can also see the mobile version. And once you've reviewed your site, click publish. And let's view the site. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.